Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this magnified mirror. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to a company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. But first and foremost, take a look at that box. I absolutely love the pink, ombre purple. Super cute, already gift ready. So if you wanna go ahead and gift this to someone, this is perfect because it's already in a nice box. As you can see, it is packaged well. Let's take it out. Okay, so it looks like we do have to go ahead and put it together. So you get the little base, the little handle. I do like that it's white and a rose gold color. Pretty simple to put together. I'm not even reading the instructions yet. But if you need to, the instructions are included in here. So as you can see, you get a little microfiber cloth in here. You also get the charger because since it does light up, it is included, the cable only, but that is included. Looks like it's a Type-C to USB, right? And you also get some tweezers, so that's cool. I have not received a mirror that has tweezers, so that's really, really cool. Next, you do get the mirror itself. Let's take it out. Right, and it snaps into place. So as you can see, you could simply tap on the mirror itself and it turns on and off. It does have a total of 3 light settings. One of the cool features of this mirror is that it does have an adjustable height. So as you could see, I went ahead and pulled it up and the mirror gets taller. So you're gonna go ahead and adjust the height. Simply tug on the mirror itself. Super cool. Right, so when you hold it down, it automatically dims or brightens your light if you want to go ahead and dim it on and off. So let me go ahead and point it towards me. As you can see, it gets dimmer. It's cool because the light is actually on both sides. So I'm dimming it there, and then let's go ahead and get it brighter. As you can see, the light is adjusting. The great thing about this is that it is cord-free, so it is perfect if you want to take it with you to travel, or if you want to go ahead and move it from the restroom to the vanity to a different location, and it is actually pretty lightweight. Now on the bottom of the base here, it does have a phone holder, so you could go ahead and prop your phone right here, and you don't have to worry about your phone falling or anything. You could just simply put your phone on the base and it'll go ahead and stand on there. You could put it vertically or horizontally, but that is actually a really cool feature that is included in your stand. And the mirror itself, you could actually twirl it all around, as you could see. So if you want to go ahead and use the magnifying side or the regular mirror side, it actually spins all the way around 360. I wanted to go ahead and give you a close-up. This is where the charging port is. It's actually located at the bottom of the mirror. So overall, if you've been on the lookout for a new mirror, a cute mirror at that, it is a white, rose gold, a lighted LED mirror, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below, and make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.